Hello guys, today fast video because you already watched this recipe here on the channel, strawberry homemade liqueur, and you can find also a recipe here on our book. But because this coming Monday, May 12 at 7 p.m. Italian time, we will make a streaming live and we will show how you can use your liqueurs, your homemade liqueurs, to make kind of cocktails or aperitifs. So remember, May 12, 7 p.m. on the Italian channel cuoredicioccolato.it. So yesterday evening, like is written here in the book, I take 350 grams of strawberries. I cut them in small pieces. I put in a jar, the jar in a refrigerator. I frozen them for 12 hours. Today I remove them from the freezer, I put under the sun, and now they are melted and they release the juice. Before also I prepare the syrup, 300 ml of water with 150 grams of sugar. And now that the syrup is cold, I will add the juice and 250 ml of alcohol with the power of 96% of alcohol content. And voila! Have you noticed the color? Spectacular. Okay guys, see you Monday 7 p.m. in Italy on the Italian channel cuoredicioccolato.it. Okay, I will taste it because l'uomo di casa. This is a bit stressful when we're speaking about homemade liquor. Spectacular.